Konnichiwa everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of Japanese cuisine. I'll show you how to make 3 easy and authentic Japanese dishes right at home. These recipes are simple, flavorful and packed with health benefits. Let's get started. First up, we have onigiri, also known as Japanese rice balls. They are a popular snack in Japan and can be filled with a variety of ingredients. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice with 2½ cups of water in a rice cooker or on the stovetop according to package instructions. In a bowl, mix the canned tuna with mayonnaise and a pinch of salt. This will be our delicious filling. Wet your hands with water and sprinkle them with a bit of salt to prevent the rice from sticking. Take a handful of warm rice and flatten it slightly in your palm. Place a small spoonful of the tuna mixture in the center and mold the rice around it, shaping it into a triangle or ball. Wrap a strip of nori around the onigiri. Repeat with the remaining rice and filling. Your onigiri are ready to eat. They're perfect for a quick snack or a light lunch. Try different fillings like pickled plum, umeboshi, grilled salmon or seasoned vegetables. Use a mold to shape the onigiri for a uniform look. Onigiri is a great source of carbohydrates and can be customized with healthy fillings to provide protein and essential nutrients. Next, we have miso soup, a staple in Japanese cuisine that's both nutritious and comforting. If you're using instant dashi, dissolve it in 4 cups of water. If you're making it from scratch, follow the package instructions. Bring the dashi to a simmer. Add the diced tofu and rehydrated wakame, cooking for a few minutes until heated through. Turn off the heat. Place the miso paste in a small bowl and add a bit of hot dashi to dissolve it. Stir the dissolved miso back into the pot. Ladle the soup into bowls and garnish with sliced green onions. Your miso soup is ready to enjoy. Never boil the miso paste as it can destroy its beneficial probiotics. Add mushrooms, daikon radish or other vegetables for extra flavor and nutrition. Miso soup is rich in probiotics, which are good for digestive health, and it's also a great source of protein and vitamins. Lastly, we have a refreshing cucumber and wakame tsunamono. This vinegared salad is light and tangy, perfect as a side dish or appetizer. Ingredients: 2 cucumbers, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup dried wakame, rehydrated, 1/4 cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Prepare the cucumbers. Thinly slice the cucumbers and sprinkle them with salt. Let them sit for 10 minutes, then squeeze out the excess water. Rehydrate the wakame. Rehydrate the dried wakame according to package instructions. Drain and squeeze out excess water. Make the dressing. In a small bowl, mix rice vinegar, sugar and soy sauce until the sugar is dissolved. Combine and toss. In a large bowl, combine the cucumber slices and wakame. Pour the dressing over and toss to coat evenly. Garnish and serve. Sprinkle with sesame seeds before serving. Enjoy your refreshing tsunamono. Tips: add thinly sliced carrots or radishes for extra color and crunch. Adjust the amount of sugar and vinegar to taste. Benefits: tsunamono is low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. The vinegar helps with digestion and adds a refreshing tang. And there you have it, 3 easy and delicious Japanese recipes you can make at home. These dishes are simple, healthy and packed with flavor. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time. Host, waving at the camera. Happy cooking and enjoy your Japanese feast.